You and the rest of the world are likely using your iPhone every day, but I would venture a guess that you're missing out on some really thoughtful features. These aren't just for people with specific needs, they're deeply helpful accessibility tools that can, quite possibly, make your life a little more seamless. Did you know your iPhone can listen for specific sounds like a doorbell or a baby crying and let you know? Or that you can get a notification when someone calls out your name, even when you're wearing headphones? I'm going to show you how to find these and a few other hidden gems you've been missing out on. Let's start with a feature that gives your iPhone a new sense: hearing. And I want to be clear that this is about awareness and not eavesdropping. This is incredibly useful if you're wearing noise-canceling headphones or find yourself in another part of the house when the dryer finishes or the doorbell rings. Understandably, the idea of a phone listening can feel a bit intrusive, but there is a thoughtful layer of privacy here. The processing actually happens entirely on your device, meaning your private conversations aren't being sent off to a cloud server somewhere. To find it, go into Settings, Accessibility, and then tap on Sound Recognition. Next is a tool I find truly transformative. It's called Live Listen, and it essentially turns your iPhone into a directional microphone. This is a beautiful way to hear a conversation in a noisy, crowded restaurant, or to better understand a speaker from across a large room. To use it, you'll first need to add it to your control center by going Settings, Control Center, and adding Hearing Control. Lastly, there's Speak Screen, for those moments when you need to consume content but you can't or won't stare at your screen any longer. Instead of straining to read long articles or emails, let your iPhone read them for you. It's wonderful for multitasking, whether you're catching up on the news or driving. You can enable this in Settings, Accessibility, Read and Speak Content by switching Speak Screen to On. Once it's active, a simple two-finger swipe down from the top of any screen will prompt your iPhone to start reading aloud. So there we have it, a few iPhone accessibility features that are genuinely helpful in everyday life. From quiet awareness of sound recognition to the sheer convenience of Speak Screen, these settings offer a new level of daily functionality. Apple's accessibility work is a great reminder that technology is at its best when it's built for everyone. How many of these were new to you? Are there any other tools you rely on every day? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching.